Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Guy. So today we are going to show you, how to use a free Windows software to scan for malware. Now this software is built into Windows, and it is not a replacement for antivirus. But in case you don't have an antivirus protection, or you went download something and you are kind of suspicious, so you can actually go ahead and scan your Windows PC just for free. Now, are you ready to just deep dive? Buckle up and let's get started.
Learn cybersecurity in no time.
Alright, so Windows has a tool called MRT. But the term for it is the Malicious Software Removal Tool. So this is what we are going to use today. In case you don't have an antivirus protection, and then you feel like your computer has malware, you can just go ahead and get started. So go ahead and open command prompt. To open command prompt, you can go right here and type cmd. I already have my open, and the way you see it's green because I just changed the color. Alright, so what we can do, we can just simply type mrt and then give it access. Alright, and what you can do, you can just click next. Now depending on your situation, you may need to do a full scan, or you can customize it. You can actually choose a folder. If you downloaded something, you can just scan that specific file to see if it is malicious. But to keep this video very short and concise, we are going to do a quick scan. Let's just click on next, and then we're gonna wait. While you're waiting, I'm going to pause the video and be back once this scan is complete. So now the scan is complete. You can just go ahead and just click finish, or you can view the result. But we want to see the result in a very nice format. So what we are going to do, we can just click finish, and we are going back where that file is. So to go back, I'm going to just type cd -- and I'm going to go back. And then because this file is inside Windows, and then debug, and then if I were to type dir mrt.log. Now if you want, you can just go inside your drive, you do it manually. Alright, so we are going to try to open that log, and then this is our result. As you can see, I scroll down because if you go up, you're gonna see the oldest, but I want to see the latest. As you can see, when I recorded this video, it was a Saturday, August 2nd, 2025 at 10 a.m. So yeah, you can just see if there was any infection, no infection, etc. So in your case, if you have any infected malware, so you can just try to remove them, or use tools like the Malwarebytes, or other tools. If you go back to our videos, we have a lot of tools how to remove malware. Now, as you can see, there's no downloads, no drama, just a quick malware check built into Windows. If this video helped you, please share this to help someone else clean up their PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay secure.